Celery, oh celery, your health benefits stretch far and wide, but you taste like nothing at all. Celery, you're very bland. What's up? Andy from Namaste Lean, and today I'm investigating, is the celery juice craze really worth it? As you can see, I have a whole bunch of celery. This is gonna last me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. I got 7 days worth of celery here, 7 drinks. I'm not celerying around. 7 days of pounding back celery juice. Woo! Celery juice, baby. Celery juice. What are some facts about celery? Celery's got vitamin C, vitamin K. Celery's got folate, it's got potassium. Celery is known to also boost cardiovascular health. So is the celery challenge worth it? Here's my celery. Most people, they're going to juice it and strain it and drink the celery juice. What I'm gonna do, chop off the end, put this entire piece in the blender with about half a cup of water, crush the whole thing every morning for 7 days, let you know my results. Today and tomorrow, I'm actually not gonna eat anything. I'm gonna fast with this celery juice for the first day or two, and then I'm gonna drink it for the next 5 days, crush this baby every day. People drink the celery because of its detoxifying effects. I think this could get your body moving pretty quickly, if you know what I mean. Wrestlers or people that needed to lose weight quickly would potentially fast and eat a ton of celery. Your body burns calories trying to digest celery. Do we make any results in the next 7 days? I'm gonna tell you how I felt, how everything was. Get the blender going, crush this, head off to work, then repeat for 7 days. Let's do it. Right, so the first thing I'm gonna wanna do, cut off this end till I reveal all my celery. Look how many stalks it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 stalks. 1 celery heart. Put my half cup of water in. We got the Omega blender here, and this baby, I think it's about 3 horse or something. So we're just gonna get this celery and we're gonna take it home. Yeah, celery baby in the sun, Celery baby having fun, Celery baby, fan my face. Celery, baby! Okay, now we're gonna take my mixture. Ugh, that's nasty. And now it's time to enjoy day 1 celery smoothie. The whole thing, just gonna smash it back. Nice. There's about 700 milliliters of celery. I already feel like the lights are getting brighter around me. Wow. Whew. I am full now. I'm completely full. Wow. My stomach's assessing what happened to it. Yes. Shift into second gear. Celery will just take you to the next level. Celery will just shift you into second gear. You better hang on for the ride, because celery will really take you there. So we got 14 stalks today. Day number 2 today. Yesterday, I basically had the celery. I had not much else. Okay, so we put our celery in. We're basically gonna go half a cup of water, and we're gonna blast it up. Celery blended, celery blended, celery blended, celery blended. I drink celery juice on the daily. Celery juice makes me go crazy. I can't stop drinking celery juice. Come on and try celery juice. Okay, there we go. Beauty. A nice fat cup of celery juice each. Today, day number 2, celery juice challenge. Ah! Bottoms up, celery juice. Day 3, full pulp. Wow, cleared it, but that was a little rough. Right in the morning, it wakes you up, gets you full, gets you energized, super light, and your body's already burning calories doing it. I am the Saturday monster from above. Clean. feel like this is like a pressure washer for your intestines. Day number 4 today, celery juice. Here's the celery. We're gonna shred it up. Check it out. Hopefully there's no chunks in it. All right, well, day number 4, already feeling better, already feeling healthier, and excited for the future. Celery, celery, what's my name? Celery, celery, get it really going. Celery, celery, yeah, woo! Celery juice, day number 5 today. About 750 milliliters, so we're gonna crush this first. Yeah, not bad, but it's a bit warm because it's been in the blender for so long. I think basically the celery diet is for just to get your body moving again and really give you what you need to help your body start detoxing. All right, after the 5th day, I can't even explain it. I felt like I hit a switch. I just feel like my energy's exploding. It really, really does the trick. Just cutting up my celery. Day number 6 today. Why I wanted to do the celery challenge. So the celery diet for me was to get back on track a little bit, feel better, get the body back on track. We moved across the country from Ontario to Alberta, and you know, I kind of used the move as an excuse to eat a little, you know, a little worse. Oh my God, look at that. I am famous for this. I'm just famous for it. I'm eating great, I'm eating healthy, and then I have a good weekend, a good solid weekend. Donuts, pizza, nachos, beaver tails, all the fantastic foods. Oh man, that's all you need. Yeah, so today, day number 6 with the smoothie, already awesome. I definitely recommend doing the smoothie. It costed about a good 30 bucks to get you some serious plant fiber every day. You can just imagine what a whole cup of celery ground up in your blender is gonna do inside your body. Day number 6, let's blend this up. Oh, look at that. Ooh, yeah. Beauty. Great thing to do for a week, you know, getting a little more shredded by the day. Stay consistent, stay on the track. That's what you want to do. Cheers. That was a pretty rough one today. Hit the dramatic lights. Here I am once again singing my song. Celery, celery, all night long. Day number 7. We got 8 cups of celery. I'm getting ready to chug this. Cheers. I definitely recommend doing this celery challenge. I feel amazing. I feel like an absolutely new person after doing this. 7 days was all it took. I just feel incredible. 7 days is around the magic number, I think. Then take a little break. But it takes about 7 days for the celery to do its full magic on you. If you're really serious about getting healthy and toning up, replace this with a meal, and I guarantee you will see serious results within 1 week. I've always underestimated celery. You know, you have your celery in your Caesar, your celery with peanut butter, you got your celery with Cheese Whiz. You could do celery juice, but technically, if you can eat 6 stalks of celery per day, then you're pretty much doing equivalent to the juice. Our next video, we're looking for the best donuts in Alberta. Remember, if you like the video, support us. Log on to YouTube, check it out, subscribe down below, like the video. We like to explore different types of food. We like to explore new food trends. Food is just one of those amazing things that we all have a commonality. I love food. Food makes me feel good. Life's about balance. We love to enjoy delicious foods, and we love to balance that with a healthy lifestyle. We got new videos coming out every Friday.